Hey, ma'am. You okay? You... Ah! Ah! Okay. Alright. Kinda loving this music, actually. Hey, everybody. You beautiful individuals. My name is HardDuckMan. And welcome to Tender. Now, this game actually has a description explaining some of the game, so I'm gonna read that to you now. In 1991, a young Floridan couple goes missing while hiking. After weeks of intense searching, the individual living near the hiker's missing area was the only suspect. The individual was interrogated and his home was searched, but no clues to the disappearance of the hikers were found by the investigators, so he was released. Until this day, no further information is known of the missing hikers. And I can only assume that we're an angsty teenage, maybe not, maybe an angsty adult, and we want to find out for ourselves what happened. So, well, it says right there, anyways, yeah. Until this day, no further information is known of the missing hikers. Okay. How do we tie into this? We have tasks? What is this? I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. This is a holy place. What we have here, this is holy. We don't talk about the game we don't speak of. The name we do not speak here. It's... Oh! It was taking forever to load. Okay. I'm very hungry. I should go to the kitchen. I should go to the kitchen, start preparing dinner. Yeah, I think we should. Oh, look at little teddy bear. Hey, Marcus. Not that Marcus. Hey, Marcus. How you doing? Oh, that's adorable. What else? Can we eat this for dinner? Can we eat chests? Yeah, let's head on to the kitchen. Let's head on to the... Is this the kitchen? No, this is... No, we live in a, like a forested area. Oh, never mind. The cabin's a lot bigger than I thought, actually. Okay. How do I make food? I need to look for my lighter and light the stove. Where is my lighter? There it is. Great! Add corn to the cauldron. This isn't even a horror game, guys. This is just... We're just making food at this point. Well, where's my corn? Corn, 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 corn. Oh, crap. What is that sensitivity? I got tons of corn? Oh, I just drop it. Corn time! One thing how do they make popcorn? Like, I know seeds, but how do you get seeds from corn? Like, if it's not grown enough, will the seeds look like that? I don't know. Add corn to the cauldron. Why is it green? Oh, it's just highlighting. Add carrot. Okay, let's grab carrots too. That's tomatoes. Green blob. Okay. We're cooking. Where are my carrots? Can I put these back? I cannot put them back. Oh, I can. Do I go outside? I don't want to go outside. I think I'm gonna stay inside. Feel a lot more comfortable here. Where's carrots? Where do I carrot? If I don't have any in here, I think I have to go outside to search for some. Okay, boys, it's time for a carrot run. Let's go grab a carrot. Oh, we have an upstairs too? Oh my god, it's sick. It's locked. Apparently we don't have the door to our own house. Did I just hear someone? Nope, I'm just going crazy. What the hell is that in the distance? Oh, so we're in the middle of nowhere. What was that sound? I'm hearing sounds. I'm going crazy a little bit. I believe I'm going a little crazy. These trees are very... Ah! Oh! 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 Hey! 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 Sorry, Sorry. Did I spook you? Did I scare you? Yeah, you scared me. Hey, ma'am. You okay? You... Ah! 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 What the What? Don't you be coming into my house in the middle of the night and scream at me. You know how rude that is? You know how rude? You know how disrespectful that is to do? Also, I think I have to go over there. To where she was standing there. For my carrots. To make my delicious soup. Apparently not. Apparently not. Apparently not going there. Oh! They're right there. Nice! That's a cool looking carrot. Oh! Oh! I'll fight you with my carrot. I'll fight you with it. I'll kill someone. Close the door. Close all the doors. Okay. Can I close these windows too? Oh, I'm very uncomfortable after that. Oh, okay. Add tomatoes to the cauldron. Well, I know I have those in here. Because I'm a professional chef and I keep everything on me. All the time. Add salt to the cauldron. Ooh, now we're getting it. I need to go grab some meat from the upstairs room and add it to the cauldron. I left the room key in my bedroom. Okay. Hey, ma'am, you gonna be in here? Yeah? Maybe. Hey, Marcus. Oh, I love Marcus so much. Marcus is my favorite man ever. Oh, there's the key. Great. Great, great. This is actually kind of a sick house. Kind of a sick... Oh! You know what? Go freaking fuck you. I'll get out of here. Ah! Ah! Yeah, screw you. This is my house. You should be scared of me. Oh! Wait. What? Wait. Is this the meat? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh my fucking... Oh, we're the bad person. We really are the bad person. It makes sense why I was so angry towards her. Sorry, ma'am, I did kill you. What is this, your left knee? Huh? Oh, I locked myself out. What is this, your thigh? Sorry. Oh. The smell of cooking flesh makes my mouth watery. I can't wait to take a bite. Dinner should be ready soon. Wow. Oh! I'm the murderer! Oh! Okay. I'm the murderer. Okay, well, dinner should be ready soon, so... Let's wait for that. I will say hello to Marcus. Marcus! Hey, pal. Hey, buddy. Hey, Mark. Hey, Marcus. Missing an eye? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that, pal. Who hurt you? Was it the Floridian teenagers? Dinner is done. Time to grab a plate and serve myself. Yay. I'm very, very, very enthusiastic about eating this. Oh, I need to grab a plate. Where is this not plates? Are these... Oh, plate. Okay, cool. Oh. Isn't it supposed to be soup? What? Well, it's just meat. The color and texture are perfect. The smell's intoxicating. I will savor every inch of it. Ending B. So there's more endings. Okay. So that was the first ending. So what can we do differently? How do we get ending A? Is there an ending C? How many endings are there? How many endings? How are we looking for endings? Is there a lot of endings? Is there tons of endings? A whole bone bunch of endings? Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, I know you're back here, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. I'm gonna... Oh! What the what was that sound? What the hell was that Ooh, hatchet. No? Okay, no hatchet for me. Even the sky's red. Even God himself is disappointed in me. Like, come on, human probably doesn't even taste that good. Or does it? You know that question that people always ask? They're like, what if human meat's actually really good, but we're just missing out? What if? What if? Right? I don't want to know, though. I'm not gonna eat human. I need to clarify right now with everybody that I'm not eating human. That's not something that's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna grab my key and go back upstairs. Hey, Marcus. I love you. You're my favorite, Marcus. Ring, 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 ring. Marcus! Hey, ma'am. How you doing? How's life? Oh, okay, so what else can I do here? Oh, sorry about that. Sorry that I murdered you. Sorry that I killed you. That's my bad. Sorry, my recording just cut out on me there for a second, and I had to delete some files, because I realized my videos take up a ton of space. A ton. So we found a little key. The barn key. Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna leave you there. I'm not gonna finish my soup this time. I'm gonna go to the barn, where I saw you. Alright. I bet good things in this barn. Hello, barn. Any cows? Yeah, sure, why not? Oh. The hunger never ends. The things I have done disgust me. Thoughts of ending it always cross my mind. Will this be the day I call it quits, or should I embrace my destiny? Nah, is that a I don't know what that is. Yeah, you're kind of a terrible person. You kind of killed and murdered a couple and ate them. So yeah, I think you deserve this. Honestly, you deserve... Oh. It makes my throat feel uncomfortable. Rotten hell, you son of a... Biowich. You biowich. He's a son of a biowich. Nice! Look at that! Okay, we did it. That was a nice little game there. I really like that. The art style is very pretty. And Marcus, that bear, was probably the best thing in the entire game. That's not saying the rest of the game is bad whatsoever, but Marcus, I think you can all agree, Marcus was the highlight. Boop, boop. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're really cool, turn on post notifications. So, you can be alerted of a new HardDuckMan video. Just like you'd want to be alerted if a murderer was trying to hunt you down in the forest. Ooh, spooky. I'm giving death threats now, so you guys turn on post notifications. But seriously, it helps a lot. So if you do, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next thing I do, whatever that is. Peace, peace.